Look at this. Okay, hold on. Alright. Let's check the temperature. Ooh, it feels kind of hot. Yeah, it feels a little hot. Let's turn it down. Cool it off a little bit. Look at the ducky on the thing. Isn't that cute? You want Bucky's head?
Yeah.
Where'd you find that? That's cute. Okay, I think we're good now.
Okay.
I think we're good now. It's going to take some warm water to get that off.
Yeah. Alright, kid.
Alright, let's turn, look at here. Turn around here a minute. Oh my goodness.
Where's my fig leaf?
Look at Avery. It's time to wash the birthday cake off.
Alright, here we go.
That's bad.
Ooh,
I'm
baby.
gonna get a washcloth. Is he okay?
Yeah, he's cool. He's got a little bruise on him.
Where? Where they gave him the shot?
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. Poor bud.
Poor baby.
Poor Mr. Bud.
Here, I'll do that, hon, if you want. Is it coming off?
Yeah.
The red?
Pretty much.
Didn't stain his face, did it? We can just call him Engine for a week or two.
Alright, Daddy. I did the hard part. Your turn.
Alright, kid.
Avery.
We're just gonna do a fast bath tonight, okay? Because we got company. We don't even want to be in here, do you?
So now I hear the kids out there playing. Oh, he wanted to get that toy.
There's your caps. Here. Alright. Yeah? Can you say cup? Cup? I bet it's in your ears.
Oh,
What?
we didn't give him his presents.
Oh, well, we will. I'm just gonna put his jammies on. He can play still. I'm not putting him to bed. I just wanted to get him some dogs.
Yeah, I don't imagine he'd have been too comfortable and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Well, we got the birthday boy cleaned up.
Alright. There we go.
You got his pajamas out?
No, there's
Okay.
they're all in the bottom drawer.
Okay.